Golden State, point guard Stephen Curry. Strong start para sa current players natin. Second pick from the team of Wizard. Okay, Washington Wizard. Sige, small forward, Kyle Kuzma. Let's go, third pick. Current players again from the team of Golden State again. Okay, power forward, Draymond Green. Parang this coming next season, si Draymond Green ang center nila. Next one from Atlanta Hawks. Current players, Atlanta Hawks. Sige, shooting guard natin si Bojan Bogdanovic. Last one, current players, center. Center from the team of Cleveland. Okay. Center natin, sige, si ano na lang. Evan Mobley. In terms of skills over Jarrett Allen, mas lamang talaga si Evan Mobley.